मायनिंग बंदीचो परिणाम खण उद्देगाचेर पोट भरपी लोकांचेर जाल्लो. ट्रकवाले, मशिनरीवाले, बार्जवाले, गॅरेजवाले सगळ्यांचो धंदो बंद. आर्थीक मळार खण बंदीचो मोठो धपको बसलो. आतां शिक्षणीक मळारूय मायनिंग संबंदीत शिक्षण घेवपाक भुरगे फुडें सरनात. गेल्या वर्सा सावन सरकारान मायनिंग डिप्लोमा कोर्स स्थगीत केल्लो. अंदू सावन एडमिशनाक कोण फुडें येना म्हूण 3 वर्सां खातीर सरकारान मायनिंग डिग्री कोर्सूय स्थगीत केला.
Admissions to be mining, there is a conscious decision not to conduct admissions this year and for next 2 years. So depending on the demand or response from the student side, we will reconsider it and then it can be reopened also.
So the reason for
Number of students taking admission was very less. See, for that course, sanction intake is 60, but knowing that 60 seats may not be filled, University has granted us permission to admit only 30. And for last 2-3 years it is observed that not more than 15 are taking admission. In fact, last year it was only 7. So it is not advisable to still continue. Diploma mining also, the demand from student side is drastically reduced. 3 students, 4 students, 5 students. Intake was 20. So it was around 17, 18, 20 like that. Only last 2-3 years it is observed that it has come down drastically.
सरकार आज मेरेन खणी सुरू करूंक अपेशी. आज जातले फाल्यां जातले म्हूण मायनिंग डिपेंडंट राविल्ले. धंदो बंद जालोच, आतां शिक्षणीक मळारय खणबंदी बादपाक लागल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी शिरीश कुंकळेकार.